Welcome. In this video, we show you how to use the InLoox AI assistant to generate tasks from email content. Let's get started. In InLoox web app, click on Track in the menu on the left. Under Inbox, select the email from which you want to generate tasks. Now choose the project on the right, in which the new tasks should be created. In the Open Mail, click on the button Identify Tasks. InLoox analyzes the email content and identifies potential tasks from the mail. These tasks suggest an estimated effort and also recommend a due date. To add a task to the selected project, click on the button Capture. Now click on the project name to jump directly into the project. There, click on the Tasks tab to call up the Kanban board. You will find the newly generated task from the email in the column To Do on the left. Click on the task to open it up. Now you can add some details and, for example, assign a resource or edit the description. That's it. You have further questions? Then have a look on our other video tutorials or contact us. All details can be found under inloox.com.